Hey, welcome to the WuCrypto show, where we talk about forex and cryptocurrencies. This area here is still holding based on this pattern right here, which looks like it's going down. You can check in smaller time frames. There's a lot of downward movement. But this area right here is still a consolidation area. I'm going to make the rectangles. No, that's text. The shapes, I think is this one. Boom. Price has been ranging in this box. This is the consolidation area. See, it's still even goes. You can make that rectangle even longer and extend it, but it would be a bigger rectangle right here. Price hasn't broke out of this zone and it's still holding above that zone, I think, which is off, if I'm not mistaken, a daily candle. That's a lot of exhaustion for sellers right there. Those wicks, all those wicks are exhaustion for sellers. Sellers are exhausted. They came here and got exhausted again. This zone is still holding to be true. And it's not until the zone gets broken, because everyone who bought down here is still in profit. Still in profit. But if you're selling from up here, you're in profit too if you sold from up here. So I leave these for like, not for you to think per se when price gets here to sell. It's more of a indicator when I was last trading that those were my last sell areas. So if I'm looking for anything in the long term, I'm looking for buy opportunities and to scale in on my sales. So there was a strong point of reaction on the daily candle around here. These wicks show very good indication of exhaustion, which means that the sellers have cashed out or they're done selling for now and they're going to look for other opportunities. But it's still a waiting game. Every time around this time in January, price does this. Let's see if we can go back to last January and seeing what happened. Yeah, see, price came and it fell, and then it started getting that sideways motion right here, another rectangle, and then it started taking off. If we go back even further to the last February, it dropped again. Big old box. I wanted to go up, got stuck, then took off. If we do it again, I don't want to do too many years because I just want to show that the pattern is there. Oh, this is when they started okay. January it dropped. Well, it started off, it ended off the year. No, yeah, it started, it dropped, came up, then over time, price shot up. It does it every year. This is Bitcoin. You can always back test. This is why I said, like, this data really doesn't show much. Unfortunately, the market closed bearish, which I'm happy about. I got stuck at a trade right here. I entered the market right here on a lower time frame. I can explain. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna create this box. How did I do that last time? Rectangle. Price is here. This is all that I'm worried about right now. I'm gonna take off some of this fibs. Let's go on a higher time frame. Yeah, this is my bad pattern. It's close to completion, which is pretty cool. So I'm looking for buy opportunities, but I'm still waiting because I saw something on the weekly that was interesting. Is this zone right here? So I think price might even break this, make this bat pattern invalid, but it will ride out like, because there's this gap. I feel like the market will close that gap at 106. I'm not telling you this is a signal. I'm not telling you to sell USDJPY. I'm no financial expert, but gaps have a tendency, once they're starting to get closed, the market has a weird way of finding itself, going maybe 102. That's the last gap that's really down there, but I'm not sure if that's going to be the case. If I'm not mistaken, this was the candle after elections. Yeah, boom, right here. The price shot up. Boom, fill that gap. Come down for that retest of the structure, and then boom, start making its way back up. But we're gonna wait and see because this channel is still being respected, so it still has some more room to go down to find some support. This is USDJPY analysis, but on lower time frame like the H4, we've seen a lot of downward movement. This was an engulfing variation. You could have entered this at any given time. Let me take off this fibs on a higher time frame. Delete. Let me go measure out that small move. Zoom out. What did I say my entry was? Entry was crazy, but it was in that area. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Right here, boom. I remember why I was on the 4 hour now. I had used the 4 hour for my retracement or my Fibonacci entry. This was the last area of rejection, so that's my last higher high, because this was lower high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Oh no, higher. That would be like a test, a retest, and then it came, made the lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, retest, rejection. So I would place my fibs from there. Boom. Draw it all the way down. Use that average. No, I remember it wasn't even the 4 hour. It was on the daily, because it's a lot cleaner. The more candles you have in your analysis, the more concrete your analysis will be in a sense of long term. Because I've been learning how to trade the market in a long term fashion, which to me has been benefiting me a lot better lately. I like to get the median. Pretty sure it was based off that candle. No, wrong candle. Boom, on the lower time frame, like H4 now. We would have saw that was a we could delete this. Let's just delete that. All right, we could see that was a 23.6 continuation. Price came up here, rejected, and shot back down. Now you're waiting on all these different candles. You could have zoomed in on a smaller time frame. And look for your opportunities here. Those couple times where price retested. You had your first entry would be that first tap. Now that would be an aggressive move due to the fact that even with that big push, it could even came to 38.2. But if you saw this second area right here, what would be considered a double top, that double top right there would have been your first entry based off this 23.6 continuation. That's if you're trading with the trend. Now, if you're very conservative, you want to wait, and you have a strategy that's in place, there's indicators and confirmations, you would have waited on this third retest right here and saw that everything was going in your favor, from trend lines to all types of technical. You could add price action. I'm going to show you how this trend line works. First point, second point, boom. You would have saw candle came, closed under the trend line, we're selling. And boom, just like that. It's that simple, because you have your first point, your second point, and your third point would be that one. If this candle had closed bullish, for example, what I mean by bullish, if it closed looking in a form of this, like from the bottom going up, then you would have been buying. But because that didn't happen, you're looking for the sell. You would have entered on a smaller time frame, would have found an opportunity, and boom, just like that, you would have been selling $1. That's what I saw, but I entered actually kind of late. I actually entered super late. I entered on this candle down here. Let's see if we can zoom in on the 30 minutes. Yeah, I entered on when I saw this rejection, I saw this pullback. I was like, I can use the 30-minute time frame because I know I can look for that. But it did this, came here, took the average, small time frame, that bigger. All right, boom, 30 minutes. Aggressive entry, 38.2. See, still respecting that area. I came in and entered down here when I saw that there was this big exhaustion. Once that exhaustion was there, it was a confirmation for me to know, okay, I can sell the US dollar and take my quick 20 pips. But then by the time I forgot today was Friday, I ended up being stuck in a trade. So hopefully the scalp holds true and I don't blow that account, because I kind of over leverage. I wasn't supposed to be over leveraging. Actually, I wasn't even supposed to be trading until next week. But this whole week has been interesting for me. I know I took a pause with the videos. Like, comment, subscribe. Man. Giveaway coming soon. I should be talking about Sweatcoin in the next few videos. I'm not sure when. It might be the next one or the following one after that. But I'm gonna be doing the giveaway, $100 in sweat, well, 100 sweat coins, I should say, 100 sweat coin giveaway, and that's going to be the plan. I'm probably gonna title it that, and yes, thank you. Today is more about pips. The only crypto I talked about today was Bitcoin. I think BitConnect's coming back, but I don't know. I haven't signed in, logged in, did any of that good stuff yet, so it's all a waiting game. So patience is a virtue. If you're holding your buy on Bitcoin, you're good, because usdjpy showed indication that it was falling. All right, see you on the next episode. Hopefully I'll just make another video tonight on continuing, on some crypto talk, because I haven't even checked my crypto portfolio. Like I said, I've been working, been with my kids, been working on finding my own place, because I need to do that now, because yeah, I'm not gonna be that transparent. Just know I'm a regular guy trying to survive, just a cook trying to survive from a shithole country. But hey, it is what it is. See you on the next episode.